Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've got a subscriber mail for you. This was sent to me via someone else. This is from What's for Tea, who is a channel on YouTube. She is absolutely awesome, and she basically cooks on her channel and does recipes and makes me just want to eat everything that she cooks. And I wasn't expecting this. I will hold my hands up here and say I have got, ever since I had the girls, I've had baby brain, and then obviously with the move and the holiday and the parties and the birthdays, we may have discussed something and I've forgotten because I am rubbish. So if that's happened, I hand on heart apologise, but I was not expecting this. But Michelle, who is Lightning Lass, who I'll also link below, is one of my lovely friends, messaged me and said she got something to send me from What's for Tea, because me and Michelle, we have each other's addresses and we send each other stuff. Yeah, so she sent it to me and it's just arrived, and I didn't really realise. My neighbour just dropped it round and I was like, what is it? And then I realised what it was, so I thought I would better open it on camera. So this is what it looks like, and I can see a card. So the card says Pert Face, and it says how to deal with shit, spray it with glitter and then everything will be okay. It's so true, it's so true. I love that. And it says, hey Lucy, love the channel and wanted to send you a few bits that I thought you might like. It's not much, but I hope you enjoy what I've chosen for you. Keep up the good work, lovely. Best wishes from Scotland. Cheryl, What's for Tea. P.S. Socks are not just for Christmas. So this is the card. That's really lovely. I love that. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm going to get this one first because it's the first one I'm grabbing. Hey you. So I've got a My London. What's this? What's this? Oh, what is it? Instruction manual. Oh, I think it's a nail stamp. So it says, My London, your best stamp and scraper. Oh, what is this? It's squidgy. Hey you! What is this? I'm so confused. I'm so confused. There is a squidgy bit and then a plasticky bit and a scraper. I don't know what this is. I'm really confused. There's instructions. I'm gonna have a look. I've never heard of it before. Instruction manual. Read the entire instruction manual before. Okay, so I'm not gonna do this now, but I think it's like oh, I think this is like nail art. Oh, it is nail art. Look, so you can do it all on your, oh, she knows I love doing my nails. Oh my god, that's so cool. Okay, I'm going to do a whole video on that because I've never heard of this before, but that looks really cool. Oh my goodness. Okay, I need to read through all that. That is so cool. And then we've got a set of Nailine So Natural. Oh, it's pedicure. Oh my goodness. I've literally, my little toenails, this is so gross. This is such an overshare. My little toenails, I cut them off entirely because I hate them. Yeah. Ben hates it. He just thinks I'm really, I don't know, it's a bit weird, but I just can't stand little toenails. I'm going to do a video on this as well because that intrigues me. I've never ever had nice nails on my toes, so that is happening. This is so exciting. That's only the first one. There's so much in here. There's a little pot here. Let's look at this. This video is going to be so long. What is this? This is Lush and it's the Olive Branch shower gel. Let's have a little sniff. Oh, that smells lovely. Oh my god, that smells amazing. I do love the Lush instructions, how to use. If you really don't know how to use, why not invite someone you really like into the shower with you to demonstrate? I love it. And this is hand harvested organic olives and freshly squeezed mandarin. That's what I can smell. That is awesome. I'm super excited to try that. What are you? That says MAC. Oh my goodness. It's a brush. It is a MAC 168S. Oh, that is soft. I was going to say soft as balls. That is amazing. Oh, I've never had a MAC brush before. I'm like, I'm going to keep it in its wrapper forever and never use it because it's so pretty. And I'm keeping the MAC bag because I want to, because it's fancy pants. Yeah. What else have we got? What is this? This one. Oh, I think this is Candy Kittens. Just Candy Kittens. Oh, it is Candy Kittens! Oh my god, these are like my favourite sweets ever. Candy Kittens. I need to have one now. I'm so hungry. It's like past lunchtime and I've not had anything for lunch. Candy Kittens are just the best jelly sweets. They're like the perfect amount of sour. And then just, oh my god. Give me a minute. If you haven't tried Candy Kittens, go and get yourself some. I don't even like jelly sweets, but Candy Kittens, I would pick them over most of the other sweets in the world because they're amazing. They're vegan, they're natural colours and flavours, gluten-free and made with juice. They are just flanging, amazing. Thank you for that. How excited am I over sweets? Okay, we've got a little one here. I think this is a nail varnish by the feel of it. Get out. Ooh, that's a pretty colour. China Glaze nail lacquer with hardeners. Ooh, it's a really lovely red. That's like the perfect Christmas red. I really need to do my nails. They look a little bit of a mess at the moment. That's awesome. And I've got, I think this is socks. I think it's socks. Oh my goodness, look at them. Oh my goodness. If you're new to this channel, I love skulls. I love skulls. I've got skull tattoos. I've got skulls. We're moving house. There's nothing on the walls now. But generally, there are skulls everywhere. There's a baby head over there somewhere. Not a real baby head. I'd just like to say. It's not a real baby head. It's a plastic baby head. A doll head, not a baby head. Shh, Lucy. Oh my god, they're amazing. I love them. I love them. And then I think there is one more thing in here. It's a big... There's a big thing. What is this? What is this? Get out. Feels like a book. Get out. Just dropped my nail varnish. Just dropped my nail varnish. It's fine. Oh my god. It's because I was excited by this. Chill the fuck out. If you're also new to this channel, I don't relax very well. I'm quite all the time, and Ben tells me off all the time and just tells me to like calm down, and I just can't. That's Miss Bitch to you. Oh my god, this is amazing. Oh, I'm not always a bitch. Just kidding. Go fuck yourself. That's me. I'm not always a bitch though. I am sometimes, to people that I like, I am super, super lovely all the time because I love them. But if you're mean, then you can fuck right off. Friday, my second favourite F word. Yes. Oh my god, this is so cool. Because fuck you, that's why. Who the fuck cares? Oh my god, this is amazing. Welcome to the Sarcasm Society. Like, we need your support. Oh my god, this is amazing. It's so good. Pack your bags, we're going on a guilt trip. This is so amazing. Thank you so much. This is hilarious. I am gonna calm the fuck down and do some drawing tonight because we're gonna be calm. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna calm. I'm gonna try and calm down anyway now that the house is sorted and we are, yeah, that's happening. Oh my god, this was so lovely. Thank you so much, Cheryl. It's so, so lovely of you. Everybody head over to her channel, go and say hi, tell her I sent you. You will not be disappointed. If you need some inspiration for food, just go and look because she's just gonna make you hungry. She makes me hungry every time I watch her videos. This was so, so lovely. Also check out Michelle, who sent me this via the post, because she's amazeballs as well. There's just loads of amazing people on YouTube that you all just need to go and check out, and I'm just going to link them all down below. But yeah, if you like these kind of subscriber mail videos and haul videos and just general me videos, then give this one a thumbs up. If you should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye guys. I just thought I'd come back. Oh yeah, the girls are princesses today. I don't let my girls have jelly sweets just because they don't need them, but I'm gonna let them try a little bit of a candy kitten. You try one? You show me what you think. You like it?
I like it.
What's it taste like?
And strawberry.
Yeah.
And mine strawberry.
Yeah. But please excuse that area over there, but we're moving house in a week, so